welcome to my video. Today's video is about explanation text. How does lightning work?
Before a video, let me introduce myself. My name is Amalia Azzahra. I'm from 11th century.
Have a good time watching.
The lightning strike the simplest way. Let's figure out what makes it happen in the first place. Lightning is electricity, and electricity involves very tiny particles. Some particles have a positive charge and some have negative charge. The two opposite charges pull toward each other, like the north and south of magnets. Usually, electrons fairly balanced, but the winds of a storm causes electric charge to spread within the cloud most. Lightning occurs within the cloud itself.
The leader set and the leader performing in a leader meaningful amount global electric current. The lightning circles is what you see in the sky. Lightning. It happens like that. The lightning appears to be moving from the cloud to the cloud, when in fact the opposite is true. So, lightning can strike the same place twice actually. For example, the same power of current is struck by lightning about 75 times every year. In October 2011, the power was recorded in place in record 5.2 in 18 per minute.